Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable VS Code remote development with WSL for analytics step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. Next, confirm that Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL, is enabled on your machine. To do this, open PowerShell as an administrator. Type in the command WSL install and press enter. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer if prompted. After restarting, open the Microsoft Store and search for your preferred Linux distribution. Select the distribution and click Install to download it. Launch the installed Linux distribution from your Start menu. Follow the prompts to set up your new Linux user account. Now, open Visual Studio Code. In the lower left corner, click on the green icon that represents the remote development feature. From the menu that appears, select Remote WSL, New Window. This will open a new VS Code window connected to your WSL environment. To access your Linux files, use the integrated terminal or the File Explorer. Make sure to install the necessary extensions for analytics, like Python or Jupyter. You can do this by navigating to the Extensions view in VS Code. Search for the extensions you need and click Install for each one. After installing the extensions, open or create the project file you want to work on. You are now set up for remote development with VS Code and WSL for your analytics projects. Start coding in this powerful environment and take full advantage of the tools available. Enjoy your productive new setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.